Hi students, today we are going to do letter for placing an order. Well, a letter placing an order is a formal request for the supply of a product or service. It is sent to a manufacturer, dealer, retailer, distributor, supplier, or a service provider. Let's go through the information and details to be provided when writing a letter of placing an order. While placing an order, the writer has to be very careful about giving accurate information because any inaccuracy may result in delayed or wrong deliveries with serious financial implications, which means that both the parties will have to face the loss. The letter contains details of the product or service being ordered, such as model number, product or service name, quantity, any timeline for delivery or required date of delivery, location for delivery, mode of payment, which could be cash, check, credit or debit card, online transfers or net banking. So this means that when we are writing this letter of placing an order, we need to be very specific while giving information or detail about the product or service. So we need to specify the model number of the product, we need to name the product and service, we need to mention the quantity of the product we require. We can also specify the date of delivery, when do we require the particular product, and then we can also mention the location for delivery, the place where the product needs to be delivered, and then we need to settle the payment terms. And last is any other terms and conditions, which means that you will also need to find out the terms and conditions under which the supply will be made or the service will be rendered. So it is very important to find out about the warranty and service options. You can also inquire about the delivery charges or any other taxes applicable. And moreover, you can also request them to ensure the quality of the consignment, and you can tell them that if defects are found in the goods, the whole consignment will be returned without any payment. So all these details and information should be very clearly stated to avoid confusions later on. Now let us go through the sample of letter of placing an order. You are Samarth Sharma of Modern Public School, Ashok Vihar, Mathura. Pin code is given 281001. As the student coordinator for the school library, you have been given the responsibility of curating the science fiction section for the library, which means that you've been given the responsibility of organizing the science fiction section for the library. Now, on behalf of the school, write a letter to the manager of Book World, Vasant Kunj, New Delhi, placing an order for the books for the collection. So, before attempting, you should go through what all details have been given in the question. Here, in your letter, you should introduce yourself and state the purpose of your letter, which can be done in the first paragraph of your body. Then you can mention the titles, number and type of books that you require. Type here refers to the quality. It could be paperback, it could be hardcover, so you need to specify over here. Next is inquire about the cost, mode of payment and possible discount. So in case all these details are mentioned in your question paper, that means if these hints are given, then well and good. If not, then you can make a rough draft on your own. I have already explained you what all information or what all details you need to provide while ordering any product. So on the basis of that, you can make your own rough draft and you can utilize it later on while faring out your letter. We begin with sender's address. Sender's address is already mentioned in the question. Modern Public School, Ashok Vihar, Mathura. Pin code is given 281001. followed by date. The date appears directly below the address after leaving a line. Then comes the receiver's name, rank, and address. It's the manager, Book World, D23, Vasant Kunj, New Delhi. Pin code is 110070, followed by subject after leaving a line. Subject is supply of books for school library. Then comes the salutation. Salutation is a customary greeting with which the sender opens the letter. It could be sir or madam. And then comes the body. Body is further divided into in 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph, you introduce yourself and state the purpose of writing the letter. In second paragraph, you give details of the product or service required, and in third paragraph, you give further terms and conditions related to the price, delivery of the product, and payment, etc. So we begin by, on behalf of Modern Public School Mathura, I would like to place an order for the supply of books for our school library. We require the following books, number of copies and type specified. First is the Time Machine HG Wells, 3 copies, paperback. Now the details, you can see the details of the books have been given over here, and the name of the author is specified, the quantity is also specified, and the quality is also specified. So either you can write in this way, or you can also write in a tabular form, wherein you can divide it in various columns, and in first column you can write the serial number, and then you can write the name of the book, name of the author, and then the quantity and the quality. So whichever way you please, you can write. Both the ways are correct. And then you can end by saying that kindly send us a quotation with your best price and let us know if it will be possible on your part to deliver the entire order by 20th August. So in last paragraph, you can state the date of delivery. You can also state the mode of transportation of the good and the place of delivery. So all those extra information you can give in the last paragraph, and further you can write, we shall also require a proper bill, following which we can make the payment via cash, net banking, or demand draft, whichever is your preferred mode of receiving payment. So this was all about your body, and then you will close by saying thanking you, and then the subscription or complimentary close, wherein you can write yours sincerely, or you can also write yours truly or yours faithfully as well. And then you will write sender's name and designation if applicable. Sender's name and designation is given in the question. So you will write Samarth Sharma, student coordinator. So this was all about a letter for placing an order. I hope you have understood it well, and I wish that you'll be able to write a letter for placing an order with flair.